Up and at 'em, unpacking an energizing English expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, up and at 'em. It's a saying you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or from English speakers in the morning. This video aims to unpack its meaning, use, and history to help you understand and use it confidently in your English conversations. So, let's get up and at 'em with our exploration. Up and at 'em is an informal expression used to encourage someone to get out of bed and start being active or begin their day with enthusiasm. It's like saying, rise and shine, but with a bit more pep and urgency. The phrase is often used to motivate someone to start their day positively or to prompt action towards a task or challenge. The phrase, up and at 'em, has its roots in military language, where it was used to rouse soldiers quickly and get them ready for action. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday English to inspire energy and promptness in starting one's day or tackling tasks. Its exact origins are a bit murky, but its use in English dates back to at least the early 20th century. You can use up and at 'em in casual settings, especially when you want to encourage someone to wake up and start their day or when motivating friends or family to get moving on a project or activity. It's more common in spoken English than in written form, and it carries a cheerful, motivating tone. Example sentences: come on, kids, up and at 'em. We've got a big day ahead of us. I know it's early, but up and at 'em. We don't want to miss the sunrise. While up and at 'em is widely understood in English-speaking countries, its usage might be more prevalent in some cultures, especially where idiomatic expressions are commonly used to motivate or energize. It's a phrase that embodies the spirit of enthusiasm and determination, qualities that are valued in many cultures around the world. And that's a wrap on up and at 'em. We hope this video has illuminated this energetic expression for you. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying spirit, energy, and action. So, the next time you need to motivate someone or yourself to start the day with zest, you've got the perfect phrase. Thanks for watching, and here's to being up and at 'em in your English language journey.